Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this McLaren key fob. It's a pretty simple process, and here's what you need. One of these 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. They're just a few bucks, and there's a link below in the description. And I'm going to be using a very small flat tip screwdriver like this. It's not necessary, but I think it's helpful. Okay, first thing you want to do is remove the manual key, which press on this and pull the manual key out. Next, this piece slides this way. So just a gentle like that. Okay, now you've got your two halves. This piece comes up right here, and this is where your battery's housed. Now this is where I'm going to use this flat tip screwdriver just to pop this old battery out here. Take that one out, and you want to make sure that you're careful with this piece here. Put your new battery facing positive side down. This clicks right back in here. This goes in like that, and replace your key, and you're all set, back in business. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.